everyone. In this video I want to talk to you about the mudras. What is this? How to work with this? And do you really need to do this? So let's talk about that. I don't want to give too much example. I just want to give you overview understanding what is this. So as we talked before, if you subscribe to my channel and you saw another videos, if you haven't, just do this. So everything connected in our body, and energy channels going through our body, and actually this what making us move, not the perspective of physical move, but actually because of everything connected, it is also because of physical move. We are talking now about the energy going through our body. We need to understand that usually we're coming into the yoga when we are ready to work with energy. Even if we believe it's something unrealistic, not real, not happening with me, what is this exactly? We're still somewhere on the background already ready to this conversation. Otherwise, why we are coming? So, energy going through our body, and if we are talking about the idealistic world, it's no blockages, no distraction, just energy going through our muscles, through our joints, through our organs, everything working wonderful. Obviously it's not like that, but it is for this particular example. And what is this mudras? Literally, if you know a little bit even about this topic, all these channels going through our fingers and going outside of our body. And that's why when you're doing like that, especially when good practice, after the good practice, and doing like that, you literally can feel how your fingers warming up. And you literally, when you're moving like that, opening your heart chakra, you're moving around and you can feel like energy going through all your channels. And sometimes I'm trying to avoid really deep topics that I want to talk before about our chakras, for example. I want to talk in the future, sorry. But literally sometimes I want to work with some particular type of energy, because this will help you to concentrate on this particular task, for example. And in this case, we wanna not letting energy flow through us, but with different configurations of our fingers, block some kind of energy inside our body for our practice. And because of these reasons, mudras were developed. So literally, practically, you can practice this just with the breathing. And actually, I want you to start to do this for yourself when you get some time after the practice, and literally get notes how it's working for you, because it's so different for everybody. It's like in total it's so the same, but it's so different for everyone. So I wanted you to start your practice and give you a couple of exercises that you can do this, how you can start with this. So when you're after the good practice, you can take a seat and you can start to play with mudras. So what you're gonna do, I will move a little bit. So you, first of all, you wanna start with the literally really simple ones. Connect these two fingers like that. Yeah, now it looks beautiful, and maybe even kinda associate with something. Relax your hands like that. Put it on your legs. Close your eyes and breathe full yoga breathing. And start to walk with energy and start noticing what exactly happened with you. That's why you need notes. So you give yourself 1 minute or so just with relaxed hands, without mudras, just breathing. And in a moment, in a minute, in a two, just note what exactly happening, how you felt on this particular day, how many times you were distracted, what's happening around, what you decided to do, how difficult it was compared to the practice. Sort like that. After that, you, as we said, connect these two fingers and put it like that and breathe in this position. Minute to 5. And after that, take a note what's happening now with you. Was it easier for you? Was it more difficult for you to concentrate? What's happening with you during this time? After that, you can play and do with another fingers. And do the same. Take a note what's happening. Were you distracted or it was easier to concentrate for you? What's the difference? And the next one, and the next one. So you will get 6 notes, and don't expect miracle to happen exactly in one moment. You already a lot of years didn't concentrate on your body, so now we are learning to come back to in our body. That's why sometimes we need to practice a lot before some result happened. We do the opposite a lot of years. It's kind of obvious, yeah. So you will get 6 notes, and you can do this exercise once a week for quite some time, and put the notes every single week, like near one, near one, near one, and recognize how this works for you. Because every time when you're combining different fingers, you are changing energy flow through your body. And this is one of the meditation practice, definitely, but also the practice to work with your energy, how it is working for you. We're all different, and this may work for you not the same way like for somebody else. And I hope you will practice it, because this is a really interesting one. And I want to show you one mudra, how we ended up exercise, because it's actually really helping us to collect all this energy field that we are working with during our practice. I believe you already noticed that when you are coming from the yoga practice, or most of the time during practice, there are a lot of distractions. People want to talk to you, they want to call to you, they want to ask you about something, neighbors coming, parents coming, partners, kids, everybody wants you. It means you're working with your energy, and people can feel this. So how to close this energy after the exercises, so you can collect this inside of you and will leave it like a potential for new experience when you will come back to the next one practice of yours. So what we are doing, we are sitting at the end when you finished all your exercises, maybe these practices we have discussed today. You're literally closing your fields, energy fields. So obviously you're doing this inside of your mind also. You're understanding what you're doing. You're not just like moving hands. You're closing your fields. And after that, you are doing yoga intention. So as you see, I'm combining 2 fingers and others just go in between. Yes, I hope you can see this. And you are moving this 20-25 centimeters from your body, and your big fingers going at this location, somewhere a little bit, maybe up, couple of fingers up from your solar plexus chakra. And you are moving like that. You're breathing, you're closing eyes, and you are putting intention that all energy that you are worked with during this practice will be inside of you and will work like a base for your next exercise. So no, you're not saying no for this energy, you're not letting this energy go around, but you're collecting an energy and saving like a base for a new experience in the next time. So let's do this today and together and finish this exercise together. So closes your energy field. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what is your experience about that, how you felt it at the end, and see you next video. Bye.